This one's for Andy Darwin, and he asked me this a while ago, and I'm sorry I took so long to come back to it, but to be honest with you, I've sort of got a bit of a backlog. So the question was, can you fill up your week's work on the CX? Or is it just like a matter of you take the next job and the next job, and then you finish it, you take the next job? It's a kind of yes and no answer. You can. People will post, they're more likely to post jobs like today or tomorrow and stuff like that. In the immediate future, the customer will ring them and go, I need a lorry now, I'll stick it on the CX, we'll see how it goes. But sometimes customers will go like, I need a lorry, I need it for Wednesday, I need it for Thursday, so jobs will come in. Also, you can go, there's like you can go on a directory, you can go on the computer, there's probably a way to do it on the phone, but I've never bothered. And you can go and you can search loads out of locations and stuff like that. The best way to do it, as I've found, because you see there's pros and cons of filling up your week as well, is I'll tend to get a job, and say I'll get a job from Dunstable to Reading, and I'll try and calculate when that job's going to be off, and then I'll go on Reading. I'll go, okay, well, I'm picking it up at 8, so chances are I'll be at Reading at sort of like, loaded by 9, Reading by 11, off by 12. I'm looking for a job out of Reading. You want one with a nice big window. You want one with sort of like can collect any time after 11 or 12 till 4 or something like that. Because if it says like collection time of 12 in Reading, and then you get to your tipping point and they go, oh, sorry, mate, there's two Arctics in front of you, it's going to be a couple of hours, then you've got to let the other firm down. And with this in mind, I don't tend to book more than 3 jobs in one go. So, for example, I'll get Dunstable to Reading, then I'll get Reading to Birmingham, then I'll be looking for one out of Birmingham, hopefully to try and take me home or in somewhere else. After that, I'll stop. Because if you do fill when I used to work with Dan, I used to have a diary and you fill the week up, and the problem is you make all this time, you feel like you get 4, 5, 6 jobs on the bounce, going bang, 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 and then you do job number 1 and the guy would go, oh, sorry mate, the goods went yesterday. No, we don't need you now, which means you've got Dunstable to Reading, Reading into Birmingham, Birmingham to Milton Keynes, and then you have to ring up all the other 4 or 5 and cancel them and go, I'm ever so sorry, but it's all gone wrong. Where we thought the lorry was going to be, it's not where the lorry is going to be. Most of the time, if it's far in advance, people don't mind because they'll just go to repost it. Okay, mate, we understand it's transport, it happens, we'll repost it. But from your point of view, and it's driving me mad, I've done a load of work. I've got that lorry booked up for the next 3 days. I've got all these jobs lined up, and then job number 2 will go bosh, and then suddenly I've got to do it all over again. And you just end up doing a lot more unnecessary work, and you don't need to. I mean, I say that, I'm sitting in Reading at the moment, I've been here for half an hour, but that was partly because my delivery this morning was meet the fitters at 9. I got there at 8, GXO, they went, yeah, we'll take it off. So I was done an hour early. So, I mean, I'm on a big radius. So, look. So the answer to your question is, Andy, can you fill your week up? Yes, you can. The real question is, do you want to fill your week up? Probably not. And also, you bear in mind that sometimes, say, for example, that first job, the Dunstable to Reading job, I had that on Friday, so I was ready to go. So say, for example, I've got a job out of Reading at 12 o'clock, so I booked it ahead of time. Then I wake up crazy early in the morning, as I do sometimes, 4 o'clock in the morning. Okay, well, I'll just go down there, I'll get on site, I'll go back to bed. I get on site at like 6 o'clock in the morning, they're open, they take it off. Brilliant, I'm done. Half 6, 7 o'clock, there's a job now, half 6, 7 o'clock, going back to Milton Keynes, but I can't take it, because I booked the 12 o'clock job going to Birmingham, which I've now got to wait for. So, yeah. The short answer, can you fill your week up? Yes, you can. I don't recommend you do. It's the inefficient way of taking care and taking money.